Hoist her up, crew, and welcome to a new video. Today we are going through all the Edson components that we bought to refurbish our pedestal. So we're going through the old versus the new. Being that our boat's from 1982, it's 40 years old now. It'd be expected that some of these components need servicing. The floor is rotten, so we had to take the pedestal out anyways. So we got our Drake here. And before we dive into this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. It's really going to help us grow this channel. It helps other people to locate our channel and search for it. So if you can just go ahead down below and hit that like and subscribe button, it's going to help out a lot. So as crew, let's dive into this. Alright crew, first components we're going to go through is the molded compass light cylinder. If you're interested, part number is 856WH-345. We'll put a link to that. So here's our old one. We had a couple cracks in the housing, couple cracks in the mounting, and you can see the yellowing from years of being out in the sun. And here's our brand new compass housing. Got the 4 bolts attached to the pedestal. We'll have to drill our holes for the new one. They do give you little pilot holes right here at 4 locations for your compass. And we'll have to see if those match up to our compass. Looks like they will not, as our Ritchie compass has 3 holes. 1, 2, 3, and the hole for the wires for the lights. Looking at these, they look identical. I do not see any difference between these, which is nice. This will be a direct fit. One thing I wish the compass housing would have included with the purchase would be some stickers. You can see that the old pedestal had our fast and slow and our forward and reverse icons. Set these off to the side. One thing we did also upgrade is I do not really like the flatheads that go into the base of the pedestal. So I went to McMaster Car and got some 4.5-inch stainless steel bolts. They're 1/2 inch in diameter, but they're Allen head. One main reason for removing the pedestal besides the floor is a known issue is the idler base. As you can see, they like to rust out. This is a known issue. It has nice brass wheels, which I do like. This piece is pretty heavy. The new idler is lighter. It's aluminum. Stainless steel here. They did add some adjustability here. You can move the pulleys down, or if you have these 6-inch pulleys or idlers, you'll use this hole right here, this big hole. Looks like they need to clean up that hole a little bit. Sharp. So the difference between these guys is the plates are about the same size. You can see they're designed a little different. We line up the holes. Holes line up. Not losing a lot of surface area. I did notice that the holes, the through holes for the mounting are slightly bigger. We have our holes for the cable. We also have additional holes and cutouts for routing. Hopefully that makes it easier to run the throttle and shift cables through. On the old design, they were pretty much jammed through these little holes. They're hard to get out. One thing you'll notice is, let me take this camera down, is that the new housing is taller. So hopefully that does not affect you, but it does not go any lower. Another thing I've noticed is seems to be a little bit more slop in this pulley versus the brass pulleys. Tighter fit. I do like the addition of the bolt at the top here to retain the cable. Doesn't fall down. Got a lot of cutout space, a lot of adjustment. So hopefully we don't have too much problems with this being taller. We'll have to see once we get in the boat if the idler pulleys line up well enough to our radial arm. But if you have an old boat, make sure you inspect this. There's a lot of strain, and you do not want this breaking when underway. In a future video, we will be installing the steering pedestal rebuild kit. Comes with our needle bearing and some grease. Decided since it's out, might as well. We also had to buy a new cable kit. Comes with the hardware, stainless steel clamps, stainless steel eye bolts, and stainless steel thimbles for the cable to go around. And so the cable itself also needed a replacement. Here's our old chain and cable setup. Looks like the stopper broke, so it's kind of running into the chain sprocket. And further investigation showed fraying a couple inches down from the chain. The old chain is a Rex. It's a number 50 chain, stainless steel, Rex 50 SS USA. The new chain is an Elite 50 SS. So some research done on the Elite chain. It is made by the IWIS group, which is a German manufacturer of chain. It looks to be very high quality, same as the original chain. Per their website, the Elite brand means reliability, high availability, and flexibility. Elite chains have wear and fatigue limit values that are far superior to the minimum requirements of DIN/ISO standards. Definitely need oil. Besides that, everything looks the same. The new chain does not come with a master link in the middle like her old chain did. Has a master link. Shouldn't affect service too much. Might be a little bit more of a pain if you just want to get the pedestal out easier. You could tie some ropes, drop the chain down. Shouldn't be too bad though. What is nice about the new cable and chain assembly is they actually have welded the ends of the cable so they won't fray. So if you did have to take this new chain off, it'll be a lot easier once you disconnect it from the radial arm, as you're not going to have what the old chain will do is fray on you. And when you buy the chain and cable kit, it does now come with the chain care lubricant by Edson. Pretty neat that it has a broad spray, and it comes with an extra nozzle with the hose attached for fine application. While researching the Elite chain by the Whisk Group, you see the lubricant looking exactly the same as the Edson lubricant supplied in the chain and cable kit. I would bet that the Whisk Group supplies the lubricant for Edson. The cans look the same, and it even comes with the same additional nozzle with the hose attached. So this concludes our component overview of new versus old. We'll try to get the rest of the part numbers down in the comments. Edson has done a great job with their website. It has a lot of resources to help you find the exact components for your boat. Pretty much they had a spec data sheet. We went right to it and it told us exactly what to order. All right, crew, hope this helps out. See you next time.